Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Hey, I'm very excited today. I had this in front of my door. 5 days delivery from Singapore. Okay, the original place of Pedro. So, I'm gonna unboxing. Before unboxing, let's look into the details on the web, also the pictures. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So there's three variants of colors, black and navy and taupe. Taupe. Okay, this new name for, I guess it's positioning. Okay, so the price is 379, and now it's say on sale 227. Okay. Now description, make it sound okay. All right, this thing, and then this detail. All right, that's it. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, let's unboxing. So this is a box, new box, probably to save budget a bit, because the old box is more nicer, more sturdy before, but okay lah, maybe they had their own reason. So this is it, and new logo, so I guess it's 2023 logo. Okay, usually the color is like gray, the copper color, but now they changed to black. Okay, that's unboxing. You never turn back when you go back. Okay. All right. Right. So okay. Okay, there you go. So let's look into the details. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.